Hi everyone. Today I'll talk about drawing trend lines on the chart. Now, trend lines function very similar to horizontal levels. Probably the difference is that horizontal levels work on be it a ranging chart or a trending chart. Trend lines most of the time work only on a trending chart, and it needs to be continuously adjusted according to how the market trends. So the tool that I'm going to use today is actually a zigzag indicator. I'm going to change the inputs to 5. Yeah, 12 is not very, is the least sensitive and doesn't actually react very well to market bounces. I'm going to change it to black color so that we can better visualize it. So for trend line to work, of course, the chart must be on a trending chart. And second thing, usually we only trade the third, fourth, and fifth bounces of the trend line. Yeah, we definitely cannot trade the first and second because the first and second is only give us a non-confirmed trend line. So in this case, it will be this way. Yeah, so we need the first one to start to connect, the second one to actually give us the actual line itself. It's only the third bounces. If it occurs, then we can start trading it. Yeah. So this is what I meant by we need to continuously adjust it. And the thing to remember is that trend line, I would say, most of the time we don't allow it to cut across body. Yeah. So once you adjust, so if there's a third touch, we can actually adjust the trend line for the touch, and we need to make sure that it does not cut across any candlesticks in the past. The wick itself is okay, yeah, but not the body itself. So sometimes if you do not want to adjust, then we simply just draw another trend line. So you can see that this was first touch, second touch, and the third touch actually confirms it. Yeah, so we can start trading this. Of course, when we start trading it, it must be according to your strategy. And of course, usually the trigger will be the price action itself. Yeah. So for an uptrend, the trend line is actually drawn on the bottom. And for a downtrend, the trend line is actually drawn on top. So let's look at another chart, Euro Swiss. So again, I'll be using back the same indicator with the same settings. So this will be a downtrend. Yeah, so we can at first draw it. So you can see that first touch, second touch, and the third touch actually confirms it. Yeah, so according to your strategy, you may or may not enter this. Let's draw it this way. So first touch, second touch, this is barely a touch. So we try not to compromise our analysis. So we won't be trading this, and this will be the third touch. So again, you may or may not enter this based on the strategy and the price action that you're trading on. Yeah. So remember, a trend line is for a downtrend, we are always drawn on the top. For uptrend, we always draw for the bottom. And the zigzag indicator does give us a pretty objective way of looking at trend lines, drawing trend lines, without guessing where should we link the lines together. Always remember that the trend line is not fixed there forever. We always need to continuously adjust it to market conditions. So this can be a way, let me adjust it. So you can see that this top, this is where the trend first started, link the second time, and somewhere around here, we may attempt to trade it according to the candlesticks or the price action that we are trading. So this may also be, you can see the first one, second one, third one, then there will be a fourth, and then finally the price actually broke it. So a trend line then can become, this is what we call a break and retest. So, and you can see that price broke and the retested trend line actually went above. Yeah, so I'll speak about break and retest in another day. So this is trend line for you. I hope it can assist in your trading. That's all.